Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Athletics first up, Jamaican World Championship mile relay silver medalist Christopher Taylor is facing the fight of his life to avoid a 4-year ban for the anti-doping rule violation of evading, refusing or failing to submit to sample collection. Kian Rayner reports.
Following close to 6 months of investigations, the Athletics Integrity Unit, AIU, has finally laid a charge of evading, refusing or failing to submit to sample collection on the nation's most attorney, the respected American Paul Green of Global Sports Advocates, could not be reached for comment up to sports time. The 23-year-old Taylor, who holds a career best of 44.63 seconds established last August, was a finalist at the Tokyo Olympics in 2021 and last year's World Championships in Oregon, finishing 6th and 7th respectively. The 2022 NACAC 400 meters champion anchored Jamaica to silver in the mile relay at last summer's World Championships. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.
Some football news now. Jamaica Premier League semi-finalist Cavalier SC and Portmore United will do battle in the final of the inaugural JFF Link Cup at Sabina Park this evening starting at 8. Although the match comes 3 days before the JPL semi-final against Harbourview, Cavaliers coach Rudolph Speed says they will be taking the contest seriously.
The final is serious, but at the same time we have to be wary that we have a semi-final game 3 days afterwards. So as you can see, it is a thing that takes a toll on players at this particular time. But we're just counting down the matches. So now we know we have 4 matches left to play. Once we get past this one, on Friday we're just saying we have 3 more. So that is how we're taking the season now. You want the trophy? Oh, definitely. Every time we play to win.
Coach Philip Williams, who is in his first full season with Portmore, says he wants to put the icing on the cake for what he sees as a successful tenure so far.
Portmore is known for winning titles, but for the last couple of years we have been out of the running. So winning here is very important for the club and the community. I think it will form a catalyst in terms of pulling new talent to the club and also getting back some of our supporters. So definitely it will be a plus for us.
The third place match kicks off at 5 p.m. between Harbourview and Dunby Holden. Now, Jamaica's under-20 reggae girls will battle Canada this afternoon as they begin their CONCACAF final round of World Cup qualifying in the Dominican Republic. Match time is at 2 p.m. The match, which was originally scheduled for Wednesday, was postponed due to adverse weather conditions, which resulted in a waterlogged field at the Felix Sanchez Stadium. Their remaining matches have also been pushed back. They'll now take on the USA on Sunday instead of today and close out the group stage against Panama next Tuesday. The young reggae girls got to the final round of qualifying after finishing top of their group in the previous round, where they won all their matches and are hunting a first World Cup berth. Some cricket news now. The West Indies A secured an exciting 3-wicket win over Bangladesh A on the 4th and final day of the second unofficial test in Sylhet. Set 190 to win in the morning session. The Caribbean side replied with 191 for 7 in their second innings to achieve victory. Jamaica's Brandon King top scored with 54, while captain Joshua Da Silva ended on 47 not out. King and Da Silva also shared in a crucial 76-run 6th-wicket partnership after the Caribbean side was reduced to 70 for 5 in their run chase. Tanvir Islam took 4 for 52 for the home team. Earlier, Bangladesh A were dismissed for 297 in their second innings in the first hour of play after resuming on 274 for 6. Kevin Sinclair was the pick of the West Indian bowlers, bagging 5 for 76. Irfan Sukur carried on to 72 from his overnight 64 for the Bangladeshis. Akeem Jordan also took 2 for 38. Shadman Islam had made 74 and Shahadat Hussain Dipu 50 for the Bangladeshis on day 3. So scores in the match: Bangladesh A 237 and 297, West Indies A 345 and 191 for 7. And that is Stumps for now, and I am Jermaine. Shane, back to you.
Thanks, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, have a good afternoon.